Again, if I go here, what's open? Yeah. So instead, when we're going, if you're trapping or moving or whatever else, this is gonna drop, elbow's gonna come up, and then come back. So the minute I hit, I can come back to here. But don't straight horizontal flat line across, because he might also be coming in. Again, what am I talking about? I'm talking about this side. Bah! At least if I go here, I can elbow, I can uppercut, right? I can pull and sweep. I can come off. I can give myself some follow-ups. So you go, oh, well, if my elbow's up, what can I? There's a lot of things I can do, right? But if my elbow's here, it's not as much, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you could pull and you could do, but again, not as much protection for as much offense as you can offer yourself, yes?
Yes, sir.
Again, my opinion. But you're coming down from my opinion, right?